napa cabbage, you need a large one or two small ones. And when you do the napa cabbage, you go home and you cut in pieces like this, and you soak in water and salt water overnight. Salted water is 3 tablespoons of salt in 3 liters of salt, and you soak it overnight. And when you drain the napa cabbage, you don't need to rinse it with water, because if you rinse it, it takes the salt away. And then of course all of this have to be prepared first, which means a little bit of carrots, ginger, radish, and onion. So you wash it and you use this type of peeler, and you string it, okay? And you have some garlic that already right. So everything is already here. I just show you how to make the sauce, because the sauce is the most important part of the kimchi. So how do you make the sauce? First, you need 7 spoons of sugar. 7. So you have 7 spoons of sugar, and then you need 6 tablespoons of this. If you think it's too hot, and you don't have to be 6, but kimchi a lot of time when it's hot it's good. So I wouldn't do this one is very super hot, so I do 3, not 6. I do 3, and then depend on if you want hot, you can add more, but 3 is enough. And then you need you don't need salt, because this one already has salt in it, so no salt. 7 spoons of sugar, 3 spoons of hot pepper, and then you need 1 tablespoon of chicken powder. Okay, 1 tablespoon. And then you need 5 tablespoons of fish sauce. And I use a good one, this brand. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then you need this kind of pepper. This one you need 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. So 5 tablespoons of fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of the dry pepper, 2 tablespoons of the chili garlic ground right here, tương ớt, 1 tablespoon of chicken powder, and this is a lot of garlic, and for me I think that you need 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of garlic. Okay, and you know, all of this here, it doesn't make it thick, because so I want you to use 1 tablespoon of flour. It doesn't matter what kind of flour, bột mì, bột năng, bột nếp, whatever. and you mix it and on the stove with 1 cup of water to make it a little bit condensed like this, so it makes the sauce thicker. That way, you know. And why do you want to do this? Because this kind of flour will make it sour quicker. Làm cải chua đó thì phải có bột hồ, mà có bột hồ đó thì nó mới chua, mới ngon. So if you want it to be fermented quicker, you need this. So it's 1 tablespoon of flour mixed with 1 cup of water. You make it beautiful like this. See? So this is already and if you want to have a little bit more garlic, you can, because sometimes it tastes better. So after you have all the sauce like this, it's beautiful and it's nice and it tastes good, right? Want to see it? Oh yeah, one of this with me. So yeah, you mix it all of this, because with kimchi you see that there is a lot of taste of ginger in it, and a little bit of carrot, a little bit of everything. And now you're going to add this in, because this thing already salted. So what you do is you mix them in. Now the Napa cabbage, I like to buy the one that have green leaf like this instead of all white, because it makes it very beautiful. So now what you do is you just mix them all up. You know, when you do, you eat meat and you eat something and you add a little bit kimchi to the taste, it makes everything taste very good. And that's why kimchi is very popular, especially for the Korean. But Vietnamese, we like to eat kimchi during Tết, because some of the things that we eat, if it doesn't taste really good, you add a little touch of kimchi to it. Just like when you cook noodle, and if you want to have a little taste, you add the kimchi to it. You see how beautiful? See all of this? Today I don't have
pha lên ngọc ngà, sáng xanh như mây động đậu làng, để bao dung đôi tay mở ra, để ta đã có em bên mình, xóa tan đi những ngày bê tha. Muốn thấy em như bông hoa rừng già, đến với ta con ong đầm đà. Tình đôi ta như trong mộng mơ, tình đã tới cất cao không ngờ, khiến cho ta quên hết bơ vơ. Người hỡi